How to find transaction ID on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find your transaction ID on your Cash App account. So for that, just open your Cash App account in your smartphone, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here just scroll down and click on the documents, and here you will see all these options. So all you have to do is just click on the account statements, and now on this page you will see all the account statements of each particular month from the previous year. When you click on any of the particular month where you have done any transaction, you will see the transaction history, and along with the transaction history you will also see the transaction ID. So this is the only way through which you can find your transaction ID on Cash App. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.